They need to do with Larry Hoover what they done with Tookie Williams during the Rodney King riots.
Help or hurt black people, Larry Hoover.
Who?
Larry Hoover.
Man ain't done nothing in 50 years. How he done hurt us? But he done helped us. He gave us a blueprint called Growth and Development. He took gangster. He tried to remove gangster from the culture because we're not Sicilian. That man had what they call a gang structured as a 501c3 when 501c3s was first created. Yeah. They said it was a gang. They hurting us.
Yeah, the biggest,
they hurting us.
Yeah, they hurt us.
They hurting us.
Larry Hoover, he himself.
Let me just say this, homie. Today's GDs and BDs, they need to hear his voice. They need to do with Larry Hoover what they done with Tookie Williams during the Rodney King riots. It'll bring a lot of peace to Chicago.
That's facts.
If they gave this man an opportunity to speak to our children, our black youth, I think in 1 month, his words could stop drill music. If they gave us 1 month of Larry Hoover, his take, his perception, his opinions, his feelings on our culture in the state of Chicago, I think he can heal a lot of pain.
I could agree with that.
Yeah.
I can agree with that. We look to idols, and he is definitely a living idol to where, like you said, 1 month of just speaking, I believe it could change.
At this point, he's just an old man that's been locked away for too long. He buried alive, homie. Shout out Reallyfe Street Starz, nigga. Move it. Hey.